morning class. Today we will start with a new concept called volume. So without further ado, let's start away. First of all, let's understand what do we mean by volume. The measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Or in simple terms, we can say that the volume of an object is the amount of space it takes up. Now let's understand unit of volume. Volume is either expressed in cubic centimeter or cubic meters. Sometimes if the dimensions are given in millimeter, we can still express a volume in cubic millimeter. But mostly we use either centimeter or meter. Now in your course, we have two figures for which we will have to find the volume. The first one is cube. A cube is a solid which is bounded by 6 squared surfaces. The second property of a cube is the bounding line of a cube is called its edge. The third one is a cube has all its 3 dimensions equal. In short, we can also say that a cube is the 3D representation of a square. Now let's understand what is the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube equals side into side into side cubic units, or we can say that it is L into L into L cubic units. Now let's understand this with an example. Find the volume of a cube with side 4 centimeter. We are given that volume of cube equals L into L into L cubic units. Since the side is given as 4 centimeter, let's input it. So our equation becomes 4 into 4 into 4 cubic centimeter. So our answer is 64 cubic centimeter. Moving forward, the second figure is cuboid. A cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces, of which every 2 opposite faces are equal and parallel. We can also say that it has length, breadth and height and is a 3D representation of a rectangle. Now let's understand volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid equals length into breadth into height cubic units, or we can say it is L into B into H cubic units. Now let's understand this with an example. Find the volume of a cuboid with L equals 4 centimeter, B equals 2 centimeter and H equals 1 centimeter. Since all the dimensions are given, let's write the formula. So volume of cuboid equals L into B into H cubic units. Let's input the values. Our equation will become 4 into 2 into 1 cubic centimeter. So our answer will be 8 centimeter cube. Now let's rehash the formulas for volume. Volume of a cuboid equals L into B into H. Similarly, volume of cube equals side into side into side. That's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Till we meet next, thank you.